Hey, what's up? Jason here. Today I'm going to announce two things. I'm going to make it quick. First, if you watch my channel, you probably know that I wear hoodies almost every day. My wife definitely knows it. And you might see here that she is wearing a new one. This is a hoodie done by the same artist who made the Brackiest hoodie, which is one of my favorites. And when I found out they weren't going to be doing any more stuff, I thought, hey, let's see if we can get some more just things going out there and really some more clothes for me to wear. Because otherwise, I'm going to have to go clothes shopping, go to the mall and pick out real clothes. So I figured, hey, have some cool stuff done instead and have it shipped right to me. So that's what we've got here. If you're interested in looking like me, looking like a weird old nerd, then hey, check it out. It's a pretty cool shirt. It's got all the details on how to make an NPC or the AI. But there's one other thing that came out of it, and that's this mug, the debug mug. And it's really just, it cracks me up. It's a hilarious little bug, or it's a mug. It's funny. I don't know. You can fill it up with your Rockstar like I do, or just drop it in there, or fill it up with jelly beans if you're weird like me. Anyway, if you want to help just support the channel and you want to get something cool out of it, go grab either one of these. They're a little bit pricey, but the shipping's free and included, and it really does help. Anyway, thanks again. And I guess, what else do I want to say? Anyway, thanks again. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share, even if you don't want a hoodie or a mug. All right, thanks. Bye. Hey, what's up? I'm going to keep this video short. Today, I just wanted to announce that, hey, I've got some... No. Hey, what's up? Today, I just wanted to announce... No. Hey, what's up? This is going to be a quick video. Today, I just wanted to announce that I've released some new merchandise. If you wanted to support the show... Or, that's not a show. What show am I talking about? Try that again. Hey, what's up? Jason here. Today I wanted to just announce two quick things. First, if you notice... Hey, what's up? Jason here. If you watch my channel, you probably know that I wear hoodies all the time. So today I wanted to announce two... Alright, so who wants to buy a hoodie, honey?